Gatirvarta Prabhu Sakshi.
Gatirvarta Prabhu Sakshi.
Nivasa Sharanam Suhit.
Nivasa Sharanam Suhit.
Prabhavaha Pralaya Sanam.
Prabhavaha Pralaya Sanam.
Nidhanam Bijam Avyayam.
Nidhanam Bijam Avyayam.
I am the goal, the sustainer, the master, the witness, the abode and the refuge and the most dear friend. I am the creation, the annihilation, the basis of everything, and resting place and the eternal seed. So let us try to understand what is Krishna trying to say here. First thing we have to understand, the truth has to be non-dual. You understand what is non-dual? No two, it should be one. Final truth should be one. There has to be some origin. Now this is a little philosophical. Some people say the truth is Brahma Satya and Jagat is Mithya. This world is an illusion and truth is Brahman, the spirit. This is the Mahavakya of all the Mayavadis and impersonalists, which we reject. Why? Because this world is coming from Brahman, which is truth. Truth cannot create untruth. That is also truth. The word is also truth because it has come from truth. Just like I am truth and I make something, that is also truth. It cannot be hallucination, it's fact. I write something on the board, it's a fact, I wrote something. How can I create this was the argument given to Madhvacharya, very powerful argument, which is undefeatable. Because this word is an emanation from the Lord, it is also truth. It is not a dream, it's a fact. It exists. This word is a dream of Mahavishnu, but dream of Mahavishnu is also fact. It is not an illusion. In fact, even our dreams are sometimes also facts. They are also not illusion. Forget about God's dreams. Correct? So many things happen in the dream. We are running. Somebody is chasing with a knife. He wants to kill me. Correct? So many things happen in the dream. And we are perspiring, sweat is coming. Correct? Mummy, we run. So many dreams, so many things happen. That's another thing. But the Lord's dream is also a fact. The Lord's day, He dances with the devotees in Vaikuntha or in Goloka. That's the Lord's day. And when the Lord lies down, He lies down in Mahavishnu. And in a dream, because our activities are also foolish, that is, Krishna creates in His dream all fantasies of us. Just like in a dream we have, no? I am climbing a big mountain. I have become king. People are honoring me. We get dream like that. Okay? But our dream is also a funny thing, something. But Lord's dream is very interesting. It's also fact. And all our fantasies that satisfy the Lord, all our fantasies that satisfy the Lord in His dream. Because it is all fantasies only. In the daytime, Krishna plays with its pure devotees. Okay, na? Krishna plays with the pure devotees in a day. In His day. That's the difference between day and dream of Krishna. We don't do anything purposeful in our dream actually. But Krishna in a dream satisfies all, the whole massive cosmic creation, the billions of planets of the dream of the Lord. But the dream of the Lord is fact. I don't know how they make this mistake, I don't know. There's impersonalists. I really feel sad about that. Total mess they make. Look at their mess. They say this word is our dream. I told you many times, it is such a joke. How can all of us have the same dream? You have one dream. I have another dream. Is it possible both of us see the mic in the dream? Okay, what is this nonsense? This word is not a dream. It is temporary, that's all. It is not permanent. It is not sanatana. Correct? This body, I say this is a hand. It is not hand forever. After some time it will be dead. And after some time when you bury in the sand, it will become sand only. True. It will become part of earth. Or you burn it, it will become ash. So it's not hand forever. So it is not truth. Because it is not lasting. Big philosophical point. But Atma is truth because it is lasting. My childhood body is there, my youth body is there, my old age body is there. Bodies are changing. Correct? There was a body when you were this much only. Was there or not? That body has changed now. It has become this much now. The body has changed, but are you into the same person? Same person. No? You remember when I was a small boy, I was running here, there with my brother. I was pulling his leg. He was pulling my leg. You can remember I was playing football. He was jumping here. Then I got injured. You can remember. But the body is changed. It's not the same body. Correct? It's a different body. But you are the same person. So what is not changing is Atma, Sanatana. Not in this life, life after life, it will not change. When you understand this, you are greater than all big scientists now. You are greater than all teachers, scientists, Nobel laureates. They don't know this much fact that we are not body or spirit soul. How we got this knowledge? Because we went to the perfect person to get knowledge. We don't go to idiots to get knowledge. I was fortunately heard a perfect person. Who is that? Krishna. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Deyunasmin yatha dehe kaumaram yauvanam jara tatha dehantara prapti dhira satrana mohiyati. So they say this world is one, but they are wrong. Why they are wrong? Because they have got a problem. How this illusion? If I am truth, why I have forgotten the Lord and got into illusion? They say this world is illusion and you are here, lost into illusion. But Baba, I am Brahman, I am spirit, I am fact, I am Sanatana. So how I can be lost into illusion? They say because of Maya. They are trapped at that moment. Now it becomes two. Krishna, Brahman and Maya. And Maya looks to be more powerful than Brahman because Maya can put God also into, so-called God also into illusion. Now their philosophy has no legs. It falls on the ground. Boom. What is remaining in that philosophy? I don't know. Impersonalists have no answer now. What kind of theory is this? If I am truth and I have got into illusion, who is greater? Truth or illusion? Illusion. Therefore, we call them Mayavadi. Therefore, we call them the definition. Their God is, we are Krishnavadi, they are Mayavadi. Because for them, Maya is everything. If I am God, how I have forgotten? I have to suffer so much. Correct? Teacher give exam, say show hand, show hand. Tuck. So much punishment I have to take. What kind of God I am? I don't know. What is this philosophy? And then sometimes they say another joke. They say that is my Leela. So Prabhupada used to laugh. He said, I'll kick you now. That is my Leela. What is the nonsense? My Leela. Why you are suffering? That is my Leela. No, what kind of God are you? You are not God. You are never God. This is Prabhupada says the ultimate sense gratification. छोटा छोटा सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन सभी लोग करते हैं थोड़ा रोड में पैर हिला के टपक के मैं ऐसा है इधर आ तू उधर जा छोटा मोटा हम सब लोग कर रहे हैं सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन एक होता अल्टीमेट सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन आई एम गॉड छोटा मोटा सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन आई एम द DC of Bangalore I am these are all small you can get some bhava and people run here there you are district minister this that yeah small sense gratification correct everybody is doing I am the rich man and you are giving charity people are queued up please like this small sense gratification you are enjoying you are trying to imitate Krishna in some way and this is the ultimate sense gratification I am moving sun I am moving moon I am creating the universe I am destroying the universe total madness it is I am God I am moving sun and stars you cannot even move your eyelids without permission of Krishna that is your condition that is also controlled by devatas even for a small organ each organ there is a devata who is in control when hands are paralyzed you can't move your hand this is a condition and you're thinking you're moving sun and moon correct sometimes hand get paralyzed you can't move finger only this is your capacity I can't lift this table that is my capacity and I'm thinking I'm moving sun and moon simply hallucination some people say no I am Prime Minister of India he is mad or not mad he is not Prime Minister that's not no I am Prime sometimes children play no game I am king you are this and they play game okay that is game no but what is this I am the controller I am creating sun I am creating moon this is total hallucination but somehow this theory has become mass publicized by propaganda it has destroyed the devotion of millions of people in India because once I think I am God sir where is your bhakti now your bhakti is just a show they do bhajana also what is your bhajana I am God then where is the bhajana we are doing bhajana because I know I am servant of Krishna that bhajana is I am not saying it at that pure level but definitely the bhajana is pleasing to the Lord because I am Sincerely saying, my Lord, I am your servant. I'm not a great servant, I am trying to serve you. But what is this bhajana, I am God? Then what is this bhajana? There is no meaning in that actually. This philosophy doesn't have a head, a leg, and how can a philosophy run without legs? No legs. Actually, it has already fallen flat. 1,000 years ago, Madhvacharya and Ramanujacharya thoroughly defeated this philosophy. Later, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also thoroughly defeated, and so many great acharyas. There is not one man from the impersonalist school who ever had a courage to come forward to handle the rebuttal of their philosophy. It was totally destroyed by so many acharyas. Even Vedavyasa says, Maya Vadam Asat Shastram. That is false philosophy. And people are teaching this Asat philosophy and they become Guru of Sat. How can you teach Asat philosophy and become Guru of Sat? Don't want to name them. They are teaching nonsense philosophy and they say, I am a Guru of truth. How can you be truth Guru when you are teaching false? Mayavada, Vedavyasa is saying, Mayavadam Asat Shastram Prachamna Bahudam Uchyate. It was only given to at that time because Shankaracharya wanted to remove Buddhism. It was one shadow, one little aspect of Vedas, impersonal aspect was revealed, not the total aspect. But this is the unfortunate position. It's a very difficult work. But try to understand, so they are not in one. Truth for them, they have lost. Two now. Brahman and Maya, two, not one. Because I am Brahman, but I am an illusion. How I am an illusion? Because Maya, two, not one now. You are fundamentally gone now. Two independent entities. And Maya is so powerful it can put Brahman into illusion. Abba, what nonsense philosophy. But we have one. Why? Only Krishna exists. Then me, I am energy of Krishna. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Aparayam iti itamasti. What is the shloka? Aparaste itam tu anyam prakriti viddhi me param. He said, this is my higher energy. What is my higher energy? Jiva. Bhumi apo analo vayu khammana buddhi evacha ahankari yutante bhinna prakriti ashtada. Krishna, these 8 are my material energy, and beyond this apara, inferior energy, is my superior energy, the soul. Jiva bhuta mahabhavo yayedam dharete jagat, which is maintaining the whole universe. So Krishna says. So we are energy. There is only one thing, Krishna and his energies. It's not two. Because energies cannot be separated from energetic. So there is only one in existence, Krishna. You cannot just say sun and sunshine. What are you speaking? Sun means include sunshine. Correct? There is no, ऐसा नहीं है कि सन आया था 2 मिनट बाद लाइट आई और 5 मिनट बाद हीट आई. ऐसा नहीं होता. सन के साथ ही हीट एंड लाइट टुगेदर. ऐसा है क्या? आग जलाई 3 मिनट बाद हीट आई और 5 मिनट बाद लाइट आई. ऐसा नहीं होता. जब आग के साथ ही हीट एंड लाइट होती है. सो एनर्जी इज ऑलवेज विद द एनर्जेटिक. ऐसा नहीं है कृष्ण थे और 15 सेकंड बाद हमारा जीवन हुआ. इनका बिग बैंग का चलता रहता है. इतना सेकंड बाद ये हुआ, इतना सेकंड बाद ये हुआ. ऐसा नहीं है. ऐसा होता है क्या? घर में आग जलाया, 5 मिनट बाद हीट आया, 15 मिनट बाद लाइट आया. नहीं, आग के साथ हीट एंड लाइट है. सो देयर इज ओनली वन थिंग इन एग्जिस्टेंस. व्हाट इज दैट? Krishna. That's it. And everything is Krishna. Because everything is this energy. Correct? You understand? That is not easy to understand. It requires deep philosophy. But actually, they say, they call themselves monist. We are monist. No, they are dualist. They are dualist. They are not one. Madhvacharya raised 2 hands, finger 2 to separate the soul from the Lord. The energy is, even though it is one with the Lord, it is servant of the Lord. It is also Nityo Nityanam. He gave the quotation of Svetasva Upanishad. Nityo Nityanam Chetanas Chetananam Eko Bhunam Vidadhi Kaman. We are eternal, God is also eternal. He is eternal Nitya and there are unlimited eternal. Chetanas Chetananam, he is conscious and unlimited conscious. But Eko, one person, Bhuna Vidadhi Kaman, satisfy the desires of all his part and parcel. Just like a spark in the fire. Satisfy the desire of the spark in the fire. When it touches fire, it glitters. So the Lord is definitely the maintainer of all the living entities and all the conditions of life. So therefore, finally, truth is one. And here the shlokas, 2-3 shlokas explaining everything. Everything is finally Krishna. Stavara jangama deke natara murti sarva hoye ishta deva spurti. when you become advanced in spiritual life, you do not see anything but Krishna. We see Mike, it is also energy of Krishna. He cannot see anything independent of Krishna. It is said, if you see anything independent of Krishna, note it to be my illusory energy. Effect of my illusion energy. Because of the effect of illusory energy, you can see something as independent of Krishna. Nothing is independent of him. Everything is his energy. So you do a homa, you light fire, that is also Krishna. You put ghee on that, that is also Krishna. You chant Vedic mantras, that is also Krishna. The Brahmana chanting the Vedic mantra, that is also Krishna. On the stool which is sitting, that is also Krishna. Everything is Krishna. Why? Because everything is Krishna's energy. You understand? This body is also Krishna's energy. The soul is also Krishna's spiritual energy. Everything is Krishna. So in that sense, everything is Krishna. And then the shloka says Krishna is also the gati. So we don't know the movement. We are joking, no? We ask somebody, how is life going on? Where is going? Ask anybody, life, how is life going on? Where it is going? Ask a friend, how is life going on? Where it is going? And that I don't know. Where it is going. So gati is Krishna. Ante Narayana Smritihi. At the last part of your life, we should try to remember Krishna. Then our life is successful. And therefore, the whole process of Krishna consciousness says, always remember Krishna, never forget Krishna. The beginning stages, it is not possible to do Leela Smarana. Because the heart is not pure. Okay? Because heart is not pure, we can't do Leela Smarana. We can't think, as Mother Yashoda is running behind Krishna, and she is doing this, Krishna is doing that. Is not possible. So what we should do now? Nama Smarana. Always remember the holy name. Keep chanting the holy name. Keep hearing. And also Krishna Seva. All day, whatever we are absorbed in serving Krishna, be absorbed. How to glorify Krishna. That way. We cannot do Leela Smarana now. That in the class, okay, half an hour we can talk. But we cannot be absorbed in Leela Smarana. That will not be practical. That will not be possible. Okay, so in our stage, what we can do is that whatever we drink water, anybody is there a day we don't drink water? You drink water always. That is Krishna. You go out, you see the sunshine. It's Krishna. You remember Krishna. It's like, now you are not in home, you are here. Your mother sees your notebook, she remembers you. She sees your socks, she remembers you. She sees your anything, she remembers. Correct? Similarly, you say brother is not at home. You see his racket, you remember him. You see his cycle, you remember him. Because you know it belongs to him. The devotee also, in the beginning it is not possible to see Krishna. So we are trained in that way. Krishna is training us. You want to see me like this first. So we see a mountain, we remember Krishna. Like Bhagavad Gita says, Krishna says, among the mountains I am Himalaya. Remember Krishna. So all these aspects with the display of wonderful energy of Krishna, we can remember Krishna. And therein lies tremendous spiritual advancement. Don't think it is ordinary. Tremendous spiritual advancement because we are in constant Krishna Smarana in that way. Okay. Srila Prabhupada ki, Bhagavad Gita ki.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare